Hello and welcome with another video. I'm here. I'm Professor Dr.Mchem from Dr.Mchem Institute of Chemistry, University of Jamshedpur. I'm now here today with my students in working in the lab. That is this part 3 and MSc previous lab. These are the lab hours, and I'm very delighted to share that today I have assigned them the last experiment. That is the experiment number 8. They have performed. They have been given 8 experiments in this first semester coursework, and I'm very happy to share that we are the first ones to complete our coursework within the due period of time. And today my students are performing the 8th experiment. They have identified 8 different organic compounds, right? They need to, in this scheme work, in this semester, they need to identify different organic compounds, and I'm very happy to share that my students have finished 8 experiments. So today is the last experiment which they are performing, last organic compound. They are identifying, and by verifying that compound through different steps. That is, first steps, they have to go through the 4 steps to identify their organic compound, and I'm happy that they have finished their work within the due period of time. It was a very lengthy task to complete 8 compounds. So I'm very happy that they have completed their 8th compound. They will complete their 8th compound today. So I would like to show you how they are working. So let's see. My students, they are working, and I can show you they are working in different groups. The boys are working. I can show you. They are almost all together, and they are working. And this is the last day and last experiment they are performing. So I'm very happy that we have finished our work within the due period of time. The semester is not over, but we have finished our 8 experiments, which was a very lengthy task, but we have done it. And my students, you can see them, they are doing it. The girls are over there, they are also there. I'm not showing them, but they are also the whole class, the whole group is here today all together to finish up the 8th experiment, which was being given to them. And I was thinking in the beginning that we wouldn't be able to finish it up, but the boys are very regular, girls are also very regular. They have been very punctual throughout their experimental session. They were regular, they were punctual, they were very disciplined, and I appreciate that we have, and just because of this, this enabled us to finish up our work within the due period of time. And our lab assistant, Mr. Irfan, is also one of the very big reasons that we were being able to finish up our work. So that's it. Would like to show students work. This is the last experiment.
Nitrogen nahi hai.
They are doing it. Very good. Those one I've heard something. Nitrogen is not there.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
that's correct. Very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
That's great. Well done. It's a non-nitrogenous compound.
Then we have to do next test, sulfur test.
Yeah. Go for the other test.
Sodium
But
nitrogen.
go through the indications. If nitrogen is not there, which indications you are supposed to follow? It's written in your scheme.
Yes,
This
ma'am.
scheme. Just go
Step
through the
number
scheme. Yeah. Great. You are on what step, beta?
And the solubility test.
Okay. It can bump out. Just the direction of the tube should be like that. कि इस तरफ कोई खड़ा ना हो. Be careful.
Another side.
Which solvent you are using for the solubility?
HCl
Dilute HCl.
Dilute HCl.
We have used
What is this
concentrated
one?
one.
What is
Well,
this?
This
concentrated
is concentrated one HCl.
Okay. Great.
It's insoluble in concentrated HCl.
Okay.
It's also
Just record your results. Did you, you have not done the second step up till now? You have not done. Girls are doing. Okay, fine. So it's a non-nitrogenous compound, It doesn't contain a nitrogen. Where is your apron? You are being recorded now without an apron. Keep that thing in your mind.
Dilute में insoluble
So I have to speak in English because you will be facing interviews. They are not going to ask you anything in Sindhi. They are going to ask you everything in English. What you are going to do then? Who is this जो अपनी back show कर रहे हैं? सीधे नहीं हो रहे. Oh, ये तुम क्या कर रहे हो? What are you doing?
I'm checking thermometer why it's black.
It's black. Show me.
Yes.